Yo, what's up, my people? It's your boy April. So, the purpose of today's video is to let you all know that allowing what you don't have controlling your life is really a bad idea. Yeah, it's a bad idea. Instead, why can't you let what you have? Why can't you control what you have instead of allowing what you don't have controlling you? Okay, if you don't get this, let me use my own personal experience as a music producer, for example. So when I started this whole thing as a music producer, I did same thing like other upcoming music producer. I will go to YouTube to watch tutorial videos, how to make beat videos of all those, let me call them big cats. So being in their channel, they used to use all these expensive fancy plugins, and at a point I used to feel like, can I do anything without having this their plugins? Listening to their plugins sounded really amazing, that I want the same thing, the same sound as them. So at the point I'm feeling really discouraged that I don't have money to purchase those plugins. I don't have those plugins. But because of my passion for this thing and my hunger for the reason why I started this thing, what do? I made up my mind that I will control everything I have. I use Survey Studio, and you all know Survey Studio have several stock plugins. So I made up my mind. That's one decision. I made up my mind. I will be in control of what I have. And this life is not just about making decisions. It's more about taking actions. So what action do I take after my decision? First, I said, or I planned, or I decided that I will study morphine. Yeah, I started with morphine. I will know about morphine. I will know how I can twist morphine to my own taste. That's what I already have. How I can control it to my own taste. Instead of thinking about what I don't have, what this person has, that I don't even have any money to purchase. So what do? I make sure I studied morphine. I know all the sound. I know I can tweak them to my own taste, even if not really that satisfying. But I don't say those plugins don't count. I can say, yeah, 50% they count. This life, especially music, is more about plugins and tools. So those plugins really count. But for me, for us that don't have money to purchase this kind of thing, I think we can still do better instead of letting that come to us. So next video I will be doing, I think we'll be making a whole beats just using morphine. Yeah, we'll be making sure all our melody chords be from morphine. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all.